9 ghost mode habits to disappear and rebuild your life in next 6 months. 1. Digital suicide. The average man is a slave to the algorithm. He wakes up and checks what others are doing. You cut the cord, delete the apps, remove the notifications, kill the drama before it kills you. 2. The 4 a.m. contract. Most people negotiate with their alarm clock. You rise in the dark. While the world is unconscious, you are already at war. This is not about sleep, it is about psychological dominance. Win the morning or lose the day. 3. The default no. Society runs on FOMO, the fear of missing out. They say yes to parties, yes to mediocrity. You are ruthless with your time. Decline the invite. Do not explain yourself. Your presence is earned, not given. 4. Silence your wins. The weak need validation. They post every workout, every small victory for a hit of dopamine. You operate in the shadows. Do not tell them what you are doing. Let them assume you are failing. Let them gossip. The shock of your results in 6 months will be louder than any Instagram story. 5. The sniper focus. The modern mind is scattered. People try to build 3 businesses and a physique at once. They fail at all of them. You pick one target. You pour every ounce of your energy into a single point of impact. Obsession is the only way to break through. 6. Seek physical pain. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Lift heavier, run faster, callous your hands and your mind. If you are not struggling, you are stagnating. 7. Financial fasting. The average man spends money to look rich. He buys liabilities to impress people he hates. You starve your ego. Take every penny you save and throw it into your mission. Live like a monk so you can eventually live like a king. 8. Emotional iron. The world encourages you to be soft, to complain when things get hard. You swallow the pill. Do not complain. Take the hit, analyze the damage, and keep moving forward. Stoicism is not a lack of feeling, it is the mastery of it. 9. The rebirth. Drifters have no deadline. They say they will start someday. You set the clock, 6 months. Mark the date. That is the day the ghost dies and the king returns. Without a deadline, this is just a phase. With a deadline, it is a mission. Most people will hear this and do nothing. They are addicted to their own mediocrity. Do not be them. Subscribe. Not for me, but so you do not forget the man you are sworn to become.